How we doing, guys? Just wanted to do a review and how to install this the easiest way. I started already partially, but it is a T-Bone Racing Servo Guard version 2 for the Stampede 4x4 and the Slash HCG chassis. And the reason for that, well, T-Bone, made in the USA, right by where I live actually, and they have a lifetime warranty, and their products are awesome. This is what it looks like. The reason I'm doing it is it's actually to keep the dirt from coming out or getting in the center drive shaft. So what it does is you put it just like so here. Whoop, sorry about that. So here it is, and it goes just like so. I will show you. So what you want to do is it comes with, I'm missing one screw, but I will show you the sets that it comes with. So how you do this is it has M4 16 millimeters and 18 millimeters with a 2.5 hex drive. This one is the 14 millimeter, so I've already installed one of those. You install the two 14 millimeters on the top of the Slash right here. That's the first step you want to do. So I'm going to finish doing that one, and that way you can attach the spacers to the rest of it easy, because it is a pain if you don't do it in that order. Believe me, this is my third video attempt, because the first one my phone died, and the second one I'm using an iPhone 5S, but I didn't mention that already. But the second one, my memory ran out, so I just deleted everything I could. So I'll show you. Once that's installed, this is the 14 millimeter screw. I have a little bit of screw coming out here, and that is where I'm going to install these spacers. It comes with two of them. So let's get right to it. A little bit of Loctite, because metal on metal, we all know that's a good idea. So I'm just going to spin them on like that, and then tighten them up with a wrench. Uh-oh. We've all done that a time or two. Oh yeah, that was an easy find. Lucked out. Okay, I already did Loctite on these, so I'm sure I'm not stripping it. I'm very careful with that. Yeah, it's got to be the Loctite. Oh yeah, you can tell. Try and give you the best view I can, guys. Again, my first YouTube video. I run a Facebook group page called RC Tips and Tricks, so check that out. Post your questions or show off your stuff. It's over 4,000 members here. Okay, I feel that's pretty tight and secure. One side down, other side. And I will do an update on this build. Normally I upgrade the hell out of everything I own. I have a Yeti XL and a Bomber, which have combined. It's just sad when I say it, but about $6,000 worth of RC there. So, man, that's a tough one to tell when it's too tight with using that wrench. You're just gonna have to eyeball it and see until it digs. Yeah. It ain't going nowhere. The only downside to this that I've found is once installed, see how easy that is? And then you just install these two. It has a lip. I'll show you after I'm done, actually. But I plan on upgrading, because most people go with an RPM bumper, and I'm a huge fan of RPM, and I think just about everybody is. I like any well-made product. RPM, MIP, Robinson Racing. You cannot go wrong with any of their products. My transmission and my Yeti went out, and I'm hoping it's just the idler gear, because it's a 3-gear transmission with no... Uh-oh. My girlfriend just got here. I bought her an Everest 10. So, I can either use the 16 mil M4 screws or the 18. And for bashing, I bought this as an HCG chassis, and I'm going to bash the hell out of it. So that's why I'm going to be using the 18. And what I was going to say is, instead of RPM, I'm getting the T-Bone basher bumper, because they are just straight badass. And you'd be a fool not to get one if you see what they do. My girlfriend just showed up, so. We have a dog. He's a German Shepherd. And he's a great dog. But we're just about done here. Okay, and that's how you do it. T-Bone Racing. They have a basher version and a racer version of the front bumper, but I'm getting the basher version. But Servo Guard, $13.65. You may be able to get a 15% off one of it, which is like 11 something, I don't know. But lifetime warranty. And here is what it looks like once it's installed. Check out my page too, guys, RC Tips and Tricks. See that? Okay, hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.